How to become limitless. I was having this conversation with a good friend of mine in our community because we have like the amazing community ever. If you want to be part of it, it's completely free, and that group has literally changed my life. We have people there like making more money, getting into relationship, like having amazing children, raising amazing children. So if you want to be part of this kind of community of people who are actually living something, reach out to me and then I can share the group with you. It's completely free. Then we were having this conversation, we were talking, and then this point came up of like, how can I keep on improving myself? And that's when we kind of come up with this concept of like, okay, how can you become limitless? And this is a process that I now use like a lot to actually keep growing, to actually keep going to the next level. So it goes in 3 steps. And the first step is just to say, okay, if I were limitless, who will I be and what will I do? So this is the first question that you ask. Okay, if I were limitless, what will I do? Who will I be? And how will that look like? When you start looking at that, projecting that, coming up with who you will be, what you will do, it then takes you then to the second step to write down all the character trait that you will have and all the things that you will do. So you write those down, like the character traits and the things that you will be doing. You can also describe how it will be like and how it will feel like to actually be limitless. So those 3 things that you write in step 2. So step 2, you write 3 things down, like what character traits will I have, what will I do, and how will it feel like. Super important. So that's the second step. And the third step is then to look, okay, why don't I have those character traits? Why am I not doing these things now? Super key and super important. When you actually do this exercise, it tells you where you are limiting yourself. And when you see where you're limiting yourself, either where you're limiting yourself or what you lack in order for you to actually go to the next level. Because if you realize that, oh, a character trait of the person who will be very assertive, and oh my god, I lack assertiveness, then you can develop that point. Oh, I will be super confident, I will talk to everyone. Oh, but why am I not talking to everyone now? And it's going to show you where you are limiting yourself currently, and then by building those character traits, it's going to help you then to become that person, that limitless person that you wish you were. Like I said, this is a super process. It has helped me like many big times. And like I said, we have this free group. You can send me a message and then I can plug you into the group. It's completely free, and I've gotten tons of value out of the group. This exercise, for example, is something that we do this kind of exercise like a lot, right? So that's why people's life in the group are also consistently and continually getting better. If you want that to be you as well, just send me a message so that I can show you the group. And otherwise, this is how I use myself to keep on going to the next level, and it has worked amazingly well for me. So that's it. Share this video with one person and see you on another one. Bye.